home. I never caused you any pain. I wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain, the purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you living in the purple rain. I never wanted to be your weekend lover. I wanted to be some kind of friend. Yeah. Girl, I can never steal you from another. It's such a shame that we broke down and the friendship had to end. A purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you, baby, in the purple rain. Honey, I know times are changing. It's time we all decide for something new. And that means you too. You say we want a new leader. It seems we all made up our mind. It's time we close that. And we close that.